Communicative competence includes two aspects, linguistic aspects and pragmatic aspects. Only there are four linguistic aspects: phonology and grammatical description, grammar, vocabulary, discourse, and pragmatic aspects include functions, variations, interaction skill, and cultural framework. Aim of communicative language is to develop the communicative competence among learners. Functions, communicative language teaching is instrumental function of language is using language to get things. Mean language is not theoretical learning, it is practical learning, it is functional learning. Whatever is being learned, it will be applied in everyday life. Second is regulatory function of language, which means using language to control behavior of others. And third is interactional function of language, means using language to create interaction with others. Personal function of language means using language to express personal feeling and thought. Imaginative function of language means use of language to create the world of imagination. Representational function of language means using language for the sake of representation. Heuristic function of language means using language to learn and discover. So these are 7 different functions of language. Communicative language is thought holistic. Holistic means that covers most of the aspects because of these features. Communicative approach has emphasis of communication of language because it plays important part in development of sociability of human creation. Message or thoughts expressed in communication are always in form of function. So this approach is very useful. If communicative approach is used in classroom activities, it will be useful for learner because in many classes, language is taught as to pass examination, and this approach can enable the students to develop communicative ability instead of just, you can say, passing the grades. Through communicative approach, learner can learn target language as he learns mother tongue. So it resembles the direct method, but it has, you can say, taken positive features of grammar translation, direct method, both. Communicative approach enables students to learn language naturally because the environment of target language is created. All the teaching learning materials are prepared according to learner's attitude and interest. In communicative approach, everywhere in schools, classrooms, stages, seminar, learners are taught as native person learn language. Mean native and non-natives are not discriminated in this method. Students are provided real life situations. So they are not only taught through books, rather whatever material is available, those selection of material is also a challenge for that approach. Communicative approach gives emphasis on active mode of learning rather than passive mode. In reading method of West, there was focus on passive mode of learning. Learners have to develop skill of language, speaking and listening aspects of language are equally important for oral communication. In communicative approach, visual aids are used. These aids help to provoke practical communication. Language is dynamic, it is not static. So communicative approach takes into account that aspect of dynamic language. Active use of lexical items help learner to develop vocabulary. There should not be passive use of lexical item, mean just they have learned the words and later on they have forgot the word. Instead of that, communicative approach has an emphasis to use those words, idioms, phrasal verbs, whatever learner has acquired. What are the principles of communicative approach? First principle is how to use the language. And here focus is oral or verbal communication. Communicative approach is based on natural acquisition of language, and natural acquisition is principle of this approach. Teaching should be related to real life situation so that student could understand the reality of life. Language is not taught as a subject, rather language is taught as skill. I mean, the very idea that direct method actually propounded, but direct method ignores what we say grammar, and communicative approach gives weightage to grammar as well. Merits of communicative approach are: main function of communicative approach is to develop communication competence. So learners are provided with optimum opportunities to use language. ज्यादा से ज्यादा लैंग्वेज को यूज करना ये इसका मेरिट है. This approach creates communicative environment among learners, teachers, society. Mean language is not taught in isolation away from a lifelike situation. It is brought closer to lifelike situation. There is a concept of authentic method. Authentic method, authentic material. Authentic material is the material which we see in everyday life. For example, you can say TED Talks or brochures published by different organizations, ads which are shown on social media or electronic media or in print media. The material which is issued through, you can instructional manuals, recipes, and so on. Modern methods are used, making teaching effective and interesting. Every learner is believed to be active during teaching this method. This approach provided sufficient opportunity to students for practice of communication with other learners. So that approach is thought, you can say, better than the other approach. We discussed yesterday structural approach, and today we have discussed a communicative approach. Focus on its 4 linguistic and 4 pragmatic aspects.